Welcome to the wide, wild world of the Highland Ridge Open Range, where travel trailers are designed to actually make travel feel like freedom, not a cramped, rattling compromise. Whether you're looking for a simple setup for two or a rolling base camp for the entire crew, Open Range has something built for you. And in this video, we're going to focus strictly on the travel trailers, from single axle models to the more robust dual axle floor plans. So buckle up, because we're about to break down everything from interior features to construction, then wrap with real talk about what vehicles can tow one of these beauties. Stepping inside, you land immediately in the living area. And the first thing you'll notice is this space. Every Open Range, regardless of axle count, comes with a towering 81-inch ceiling height, which makes even the smaller units feel open and breathable. The residential vinyl flooring stretches through the flush floor slide-outs, making cleaning a breeze and eliminating those annoying little toe stubs on transition lips. Furniture-wise, the options are as varied as your playlist. Every Open Range comes with either a booth dinette or sofa, but depending on your floor plan, you might find a trifold sleeper, jackknife sofa, or optional theater seats if you want to turn movie night into a full-body recline. The 13,500 BTU roof-mounted AC keeps the space chill, but if you opt for a double axle model, you can bump it up to a 15K BTU and even add a second AC in the bedroom with 50 amp service. And when it's time to shut the world out, pleated blackout nightshades ensure the interior stays dark and private, because sometimes even the bears don't need to know your business. Entertainment? Open Range has your back. Every model comes pre-bracketed for a TV, and select floor plans come with one already installed. You'll get a dome-style digital antenna right out of the gate, so you're not completely cut off unless you want to be. But once you're done watching reruns, it's time to shift to the real heart of the trailer, the kitchen. Right away, the cabinetry just catches your eye. This isn't your typical particle board situation, right? You're getting pocket-screwed lumber core construction with solid hardwood cabinet doors, hidden hinges, and magnetic catches that actually keep things closed when you're on the move. The drawers? Solid hardwood fronts with ball-bearing guides rated up to 75 pounds, because apparently someone out there is storing lead weights with their silverware. The pressed membrane countertops hold a single basin undermount sink paired with a residential high-rise faucet, perfect for everything from meal prep to hosing down that pasta pot you forgot to stir. Cooling is handled by an 8 cubic foot 12-volt fridge in most models, which is roomy enough to keep your perishables, cold drinks, and that questionable wheel of goat cheese perfectly preserved. On the cooking side, single axle units give you a 2-burner cooktop, while dual axles get a 3-burner setup, both with a glass cover that doubles as more prep space. There's a microwave that's standard in every unit for those coffee and Pop-Tart mornings, and the dual axle models get a 17-inch oven if you feel like baking your way through a rainy camping day. The bedroom setup varies by model, but one thing is consistent: underbed storage. Toss in your blankets, extra clothes, or whatever you want out of sight but close at hand. Many bedrooms include shirt closets, USB ports, and standard outlets, so you can run a CPAP, charge devices, or just keep your phone nearby for doom scrolling until you pass out. Bunkhouse models add USB ports in the bunks so the kids or guests stay powered up too. In the bathroom, the double axle models bring the heat, both literally and figuratively. You'll get a shower surround with built-in shelving, a tub in most floor plans, and a mirrored medicine cabinet to stash your essentials. Even single axle models come with a bathroom mirror and a ceiling vent, because ventilation is one thing you never want to skimp on in a tiny space full of steam, or possibly worse. Heading outside, the solid swing-down steps with a wider top tread make entry smooth, while the friction hinge entry door with a window and shade prep adds a little light without compromising privacy. The magnetic baggage door catches are a welcome touch. Finally, a trailer that doesn't expect you to hold the storage door open with your forehead. And for stability, single axle models get 2 stabilizer jacks, while the dual axle rigs level out with 4. You can set the scene with the power awning with LED lighting, then plug in your speakers or TV into the GFCI protected exterior outlet and just let the good times roll. All models come with tinted safety glass windows, self-adjusting electric brakes, easy lube axles, and nitrogen-filled radial tires with optional aluminum rims and a spare tire standard on single axles. At the rear, you'll find a flexible LP line for your outdoor grill, and many models include a griddle with a bumper-mounted bracket because burgers and brats should never be confined to the kitchen. There's also a rear bumper with drain hose carrier and end caps, and rear camera prep is standard if you want to install a backup cam. Long drip spouts and rain guttering keep water from soaking your trailer's exterior, and every model comes solar ready with the Extend Solar One package, which includes a 200-watt solar panel and 30-amp controller to keep your batteries fed and your fridge humming. Behind all the features is going to be the construction that makes it all possible. Open range trailers are built to hold up under pressure. The floor is bolted, not screwed, through the frame, a subtle but important detail for long-term durability. The main floor decking is 5/8 inches thick, and you get fiberglass insulation throughout. Up top, there's a fully walkable Magnum roof system made with reflective PVC membrane, and it's one of the strongest in the game. Beneath your feet, a thermal seal protects the underbelly, which is enclosed, insulated, and heated. The result? Fewer temperature swings, happier tanks, and way fewer unwanted guests from the animal kingdom. If you want to deflect even more heat, thermal pane window options are available, and the torsion axle with rubberized suspension helps soak up bumps in the road, keeping everything smooth, whether you're going 30 miles or 3,000. Speaking of traveling, let's talk towing, because all this means nothing if you can't haul it safely. Single-axle open-range models all stay under 4,500 pounds dry, making them towable by a surprising range of midsize SUVs like the Nissan Pathfinder, Jeep Grand Cherokee, or even smaller pickups like the Ford Ranger, Chevy Colorado, or the Hyundai Santa Cruz, as long as you double-check capacities, of course. Double-axle models bring a broader weight range, typically between 4,300 and 6,300 pounds dry, with a gross weight ceiling around 8,000 pounds. For the heavier end of that scale, you're best off with full-size SUVs like the Dodge Durango or Toyota Sequoia, or full-size trucks like the Ford F-150, Chevy Silverado 1500, or Nissan Titan. Keep in mind, your trailer doesn't stay dry for long, right? Once you add gear, food, water, people, things start to get heavy really quickly. You'll always want to verify your tow vehicle's capacity, especially if your owner's manual is currently being used as a coaster. Or better yet, just swing by Camping World to help you figure it out and probably let you poke around some open range floor plans while you're at it. So if you're looking for a travel trailer that's equal parts rugged and refined, the Highland Ridge Open Range should be on your radar. With floor plans built for weekend warriors and full-time campers alike, it offers the kind of comfort and capability that turns a campsite into your new favorite hangout spot. Ready to explore your range? Well, this one's wide open.